I just arrived to Bremen. I put my luggage and my stuff to Daily's house. Now we're gonna go to Ikea. I'm so excited, and obviously you guys also coming with me. This cafe is the favorite cafe of JYSK here in Bremen, so she wanted to also show me, and I think it's also one of my favorite cafe in Bremen right now. Everything was so perfect. Yes, guys, you should come here if you are in Bremen. It's directly in the city center and like the area of Schnorr, like directly of the beginning. Yes, everything was so perfect, and the atmosphere here is so romantic. We have candle and we have flower here. I think we will go to shopping mall for a couple of things, and yeah, for the goose home. Yeah, for decoration pieces, and we are so excited. Then, for now, goodbye. Guys, we got this Lichterkette, and I have to show something to you. Finally, we finished we finished Daily's table and the chairs. It looks really cute, and we also bought yellow roses, and we are totally ready for girly night. So we are back at home again and waiting for our mozzarella sticks to eat and have a cozy girly night. After the cafe, we went to the shopping mall and did a little bit shopping. I already got my boyfriend's Valentine's Day gift. I'm so excited for that. And also Dailyy got some stuff for the house. Right now it looks really cozy and perfect for our girly night. Hello, I just came back home and directly get cozy. Now I want to show my shopping from Bremen. I got a couple things for home and for my skincare routine, and I also have cargo. Thank God, I was waiting for it and that was a small surprise for me. Yeah, then let's start it. I got this cute short as pyjama or like home wear as €5 and really cute. Can you see the small cherries on it? It's my dream short. I am excited to wear this in the summertime. We were at JYSK for the JYSK house and I also got a couple things for my house. Cloth. It is probably less than €1 or like kind of €1. And I got this. Normally this is for toothbrushes, but probably I will use this on my makeup desk and I will put my makeup brushes, but I'm not really sure because I think I have just like 2 makeup brushes and yeah, we'll see. I got this toothbrush because I thought that I forget my toothbrush, then I found it. So yeah, now I have this one also. And this candles. I love tea light candles. It is making the room really cozy, and yeah, that was also on the sale, but I really don't remember how much was it, so I'm really sorry. From Ikea, I just got this for our bathroom, and that was €2. Yeah, I think it's good for €2. I liked so many things from Ikea again and again, but me and my boyfriend gonna go together soon, so I just push myself to not get things that I like. Anyways, yeah, then let's keep going with my new salicylic acid cleanser. This is from the Inkey list. I saw this on TikTok and it is good for oily skin. I just wanted to try it because nowadays I'm obsessed with my skincare. So yeah, and my cleanser was nearly empty, so I want to give a chance to this, and for the next videos I can tell you if it is working on my skin or not. Yeah, I'm really excited for that. My dream cargo from Corelu, if you know, I don't know the brand actually. This is my first shopping from there. This is for the Korean skincare and makeup products. Probably you know this product already because both are viral products on TikTok. Expecting so much things from these 2 products. One of them is this rice milk glow tonic, like that. And this is for like oily skins. And also looking really perfect. I don't know, I was like craving for this product. Like, you have to be girl to understand this feeling, I think. Anyways, and the second product is 345 relief cream from Dr. Althea. I don't know how can I pronounce. This is also a really viral product on TikTok right now and also in Instagram. This is for all skin types. Like, I'm expecting so much things from this cream. It's helping to get rid of your blemishes, like the pimples and the dark spots. After 1 week it's gonna work on my skin, I think. I'm excited. I will start to use this for directly tonight. Yeah, see you later. Hello, I just got ready, wear my coziest outfit, and I am ready to go outside and go to drink coffee with my friends. It's a little bit snowing right now, but I hope it's not gonna get more and more. And yeah, we will see each other at the cafe place. Hello again, I just came back to home. It is snowing right now and I'm really happy about that. I love snow. I will clean my makeup and I will make a quick skincare, and then I will grab my tea and we'll have a cozy evening. Tomorrow I want to show you guys what I got from the city. I'm really excited because I found really cute things. I want to show the products that I'm gonna use quickly, but yeah, I don't want to talk so much about that because probably next week I will make a skincare video to share with you guys, and I will tell my opinions with this two viral product. Yeah. So hello again. Today I record nothing because I had to work. Yeah, but right now I opened the camera because I have to close this vlog. But before this, I promised you guys yesterday that I will record my shopping. About the things that I bought, everything was nearly necessary, I can say that. But yeah, let's start it. First, I want to show you the cutest plate ever. I got this from TK Maxx. How cute is it? It is €7. I know it's a little bit expensive, but I really need it. Like, it's totally me. Perfect. Let's keep going. I can show what I got from Primark because it's also not too much. One trouser for my mama because that was on the sale. That was like just €5, so I just got her because I know she likes animal prints. Short. I have like 3 or 4 different colors. Most of them are blue color. Directly the same texture and directly from some of them from H&M, but some of them from Primark. These are so cozy, comfy and stylish pieces, so I just wanted to get this color also. And also I got the one long version. Yeah, I really like pink and red together, and this is also so cute and cozy. I'm excited to wear this, but right now it's not possible because it's snowing and it's really freezing cold, so I have to a little bit wait to wear them. This was €8 and this was €5 if you wonder. Maxi water pads, and it has small hearts on it. It's so cute. I have my pimple patches, again with hearts. I think I have an obsession with hearts, but yeah, let's keep going. I love pimple patches. Really working on my skin. Then I have an active pimple. It's like I'm putting on it, and in the morning it's taking the old sebum and yeah, making it dry. I have one eye pad and one face mask. This face mask is ultra sensitive. I saw this on TikTok and I am excited to try because my face is so sensitive. Good price, good quality. The next one is eyebrow shaper. Then this one I really wonder. I was using the really small version of this, and yeah, I hope it's better than the small versions. Also looks perfect. It's pink and really soft. I think I found the Summer Fridays dupe. This one, this is from JYSK Cosmetic, and normally I have Summer Fridays. It's €22, but this is just like €3 something or €2 something. I have this color as Summer Fridays, and the color is directly the same. I also want to make a tutorial I don't know, like some kind of video for TikTok and Instagram, because this is directly the dupe. It smells like a coconut. By the way, the like consistency and smoothness is directly the same, because this is crazy. Okay. Do you have any favorite products? Please tell me, write me. And I think it's time to close this video. I hope you like my video. Please like it and don't forget to follow me. See you next week then.